Greetings folks, this is Mike from Summers Gourmet Treat, and today the family has requested gungo rice and peas.
I'm sure we can prepare that because most times we've been preparing red beans, rice and peas.
Relax yourself and set your mind at ease. It's been quite a while I've been preparing beans like these. Should be easy like Sunday morning breeze, no tight squeeze. So these are all ingredients of the gungo rice and peas. Gungo peas, or pigeon peas, rice, garlic, pepper, thyme, scallion, some salt to taste, and my favorite cooking ingredients, of course, coconut juice. So because this is green gungo, it won't take long to cook, so I'll just use 3 cups of water. I'm going to put this on the fire. So I put the gungo on the fire. I had my garlics, 1 teaspoon of salt. And you know we'll remove the garlic after it is cooked. Well, gungo peas or pigeon peas is the first peas a lot of us has come to know and love. We love its look, its color, and its taste. My joy that I get from gungo peas is planting it, watching it grow from stage to stage, preparing the land, watch it grow from the first 2 leaves. One of the favorite highlights of its beauty is to see when it's blooming and the bee would come along to collect its nectar. It's all beauty with gungo peas. And then when it's time for it to mature, you have to be vigilant, or else flocks of blackbird and parrot would come along to help you to reap it. Okay folks, so this has been here boiling for about 18 minutes. So I'm going to add my coconut juice. So this should be half cooked now. And within the next 10 minutes, I'll add my rice. And this is 6 cups of coconut juice. And this was 1/4 of gungo peas, green gungo. So after I had my coconut juice, I let it cook for 15 minutes. Why 15 minutes? Because I want it to cook properly so the flavor becomes rich and tasty. So I'll remove the garlic from the pot and add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add in the rice. Stir that. Then I'm going to add the thyme, scallion, pepper, then I'll cover that and let it cook gently. I'll turn the flame down. That's it. So after adding the scallion, thyme, and the pepper and the rice, it has been here cooking for 25 minutes on a low flame. Now this is the finished product. I've removed the seasoning from the pot. This is the finished product. Finished meal. Should be delicious. Enjoy.